TikTok is gone. TikTok has been shut down. And for many people, it feels like the end of the world. But what if I told you that this is the perfect time for you to grow and become better than ever? Majority of people, or some of the people, they're going to find a way to overcome this obstacle. They're going to use YouTube shorts. They're going to use Instagram for it, to doom scroll. But if you look at it like this, they're going to have a child later in the future, or maybe they already have a child. What are they going to tell once that baby is going to grow up? They're going to tell that in their teenage years or in certain time frame they were doom scrolling. They were spending majority of their day watching dumb TikToks. Um, that doesn't feel right. That doesn't sound right. And also ancestors. If we look at gladiators back in the days who have fought for us to survive, you're going to be really upset that this generation is, and they're going to be disappointed. We can't let them down. They have fought for us. If we look at it like this, we can't just do random stuff, random shit, and not do any first character activities. It's better to create instead of consuming, instead of watching others' lives, other people, cars, and so on. You need to own it. You need to do it. Post content on Instagram, make money off it. Start a blog or record a YouTube video about something you're passionate about. And just don't, you like, internet is broad and there's plenty of ways to make money. And by making content, you could also earn money. And you should like take this like TikTok shutdown as a positive thing. If you, let's say, can't watch it, spend time on other stuff that could improve you, that is going to improve you as a person, that is going to help you become a better person. Start building your confidence daily. Start gaining those daily wins. Start doing things that you've been avoiding and complete it today. Each small win builds momentum and self-belief. It's going to build you a discipline. So yeah, I hope that makes sense, guys. And also, don't forget to learn a high income skill as well. Money is good. Money can help you live a good life. Money can help you help other people. Money can give you freedom. And you should live life in A+ class, in a good premium class. I have this example. How would you like to live your life? Sitting in front of the cinema, having the best experience, or watching it in the bottom and not seeing movie? This is a good example. So I decided to live my movie, my life in front, in the best rows. And you should see that, see it as I see. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. And money can definitely help you be in the front rows. So yeah, definitely learn a high income skill. If you don't know where to start, if you don't have a business, if you don't know what to do, if you're working a normal 9 to 5 job, studying, and you are not sure what you want to do, but you really want to make a lot of money, learn a high income skill. It could be editing, it could be creating content, copywriting, graphic design, anything that is high ticket, that is high income. I mean, and this skill can help you earn money from anywhere. And then eventually you can teach others to do that as well. This could definitely be a good way of earning money. You're going to learn a skill also of teaching others to do that, which is also a high income skill. Also, don't forget to fix your fitness routine, to make yourself a better person, to make yourself, how to say, Try to find ways to make your body even better. This is a perfect chance since TikTok is banned. So go to gym 3 to 4 times at least. Do heavy lifting and take care of your body. I started to eat healthy. I feel way better. So yeah, use this as a good thing that TikTok has been shut down. Use this as a good thing. Do the things that you weren't doing. Master your morning. Replace your TikTok habit instead of waking up with a phone. This is so bad, actually. If you wake up with your phone, it's going to kill your day. You're not going to be productive. You're going to lose your energy. Don't do that. This is a perfect chance for you to spend 10, 5, 15 minutes meditating, reading. Start your day with purpose, guys. Start your day with purpose. So this is a great chance, and I'm super happy that TikTok has been shut down. I'm extremely happy because I'm not doom scrolling. I could never. If I, like, there was days when I found myself doom scrolling, but I have had my friend that was keeping me accountable, and we had like a habit tracker that I could share with you guys. So if you want one, comment, not comment, actually, I can leave it down below. Or no, guys, send me a DM on Instagram, habit tracker, and I'll send it to you for free. This is going to help you. We could take, how to say, we can keep each other accountable. If you don't have a partner, you could use me. I can keep you accountable if you want. You can keep me accountable. So feel free to DM me. It's going to be in the description, my Instagram. And then you just enter it, copy my, or just, yeah, just press that link, go to my Instagram, send me a message. You can say habit tracker, and I'm going to send it for free. So yeah, guys, I hope this video made sense. I hope this was valuable, and I hope that this video is going to help you realize that it is a good thing and that you need to use this chance to change, to become a better person. And trust me, you're going to feel way better once you start self-development journey. If you take it serious, you're going to enjoy it. I've been enjoying it, and I'm trying to improve. So if you're on the same path, if you have found this video valuable, if you want to become the best possible person, just drop that like, subscribe, and yeah, see you next time. Cheers, guys.